let's make a start. The cow says moo. What's that in French? It's meow. In the barn where they rest, the sheep says ba. But in Italian here, it's bee. In the meadow so sweet and clear.